We'd like to present you AI Perfect Assistant, an integrated add-in for Office 365 tools. Working on a Word document, you can literally chat with your file, summarize, ask questions, or draw conclusions. You can just the Ask AI chat and create a summary of your doc, extract key points, or get all your questions answered. AI Perfect Assistant also helps with generating and explaining Excel formulas. Describe what you need to do in simple words, or get complex formulas explained in plain language. Artificial Intelligence Perfect Assistant helps master Excel in couple clicks. For PowerPoint presentation, you can get well-structured slides, create speaker notes, generate slides from text or extract content from images. AI Perfect Assistant helps to create full presentation from scratch in minutes. In OneNote, you'll be able to create accurate meeting minutes, generate, proofread, and style any content. In couple clicks, you can get polished and styled notes that can be shared with a team. AI Perfect Assistant also works in Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and other platforms. If you want to bring AI features right into your Office 365 or other apps, try AI Perfect Assistant today.